sunshine.
You're gonna have to blur that shit.
PG-13. What's going on?
No. It's old man Chew going for
bath wash.
bath wash for the SUV. Somewhere around here. You can't use it anymore. Because it's getting.
What you want? What you want? What we get? Ceramic? Get this in camera. What you want? Ceramic?
I don't know.
$15, hot wax.
You're getting it washed.
Go all the way out for Old Man Chew. Hey guys, send some. What are they?
I don't think you want to go all the way.
Welcome to our car wash.
Because the front has to be scrubbed off really good.
The list on the
The
screen.
front is all full of bugs and everything since all that driving you do.
Guys,
Please select the car wash by pressing one of the service
I need
buttons
you-
on the screen.
I need you guys to subscribe and comment and rate and give them some D2 coin. Some hive. We need some hives so we can pay for a nice car wash. So send. Oh wait, the bleep money. We're doing the $15 one, so you guys better amp it up. We need that money.
You can
Go to Diamond. It's got wax.
Please insert cash or card.
Come on, guys, insert
Be
cash
sure
or card.
the card is fully inserted into the slot.
Are you guys gonna insert the
and
card?
remains until you see it.
Watch Apple Watch. Watch this shit.
Then follow the instructions
No, I'ma
on
do
the
it.
screen.
I'm gonna do.
You may also pay using your contactless card or mobile phone via Apple Pay.
Yeah.
It's going.
So, old man Chew is getting a car wash for his son. He's got to turn the camera on.
See, I just Apple
I
Pay
don't know
that shit.
about getting in the shot.
You are now
I
ready
don't think
to
you got
enter your
anything.
Give me a receipt.
Proceed
Who you got right now, Mikey or me?
You. It's
Oh,
on
you
you.
got me.
Thank you again for
Okay.
your car wash purchase.
So we need tokens.
Close your windows.
All the back ones closed?
Sure hope so.
So we're going through a car wash right now. To get this thing that has been washed for over a year probably. Right behind the Fusion.
Nobody guiding out here.
Oh, come on, don't tell me you can't see. Just follow the back lights of that car, that's all. I got it right there, see? Thing you can push over to the right. This guy's gonna be in a car wash thing.
You know. Yeah, he's gonna give me the little air pressure.
Oh, you get a little air pressure? Is that where you get it? Do you get your car wash here all the time or what? Soul Man Chew getting a car wash.
I got it.
You got it? Yeah. So we're getting a car wash at the car wash. We're getting a car wash at the car wash.
Getting wet. This guy ain't giving me.
Are the keys
Can I wash?
Are the keys
Oh, yeah.
Are the keys Man, I lost it. I feel like a little kid going through a car wash.
All right, guys.
We're getting at the
You guys
car
owe
wash.
Old Man Chew $15. Okay. We got
Credits,
the ceramic
credits.
code and
Yes.
hot. We're getting that
Credits.
hive. We need that hive. Oh, wait, let me show my credits.
Credits. We need
Okay.
them credits. Then the scrub it. I can
Clean
smell
bus.
it. I can smell it.
See, you saw it. You saw the
I
seat.
can smell it. I can smell the wax
Smell
going
it.
out. Yeah, this
It's
old man
like
Chew
wax
getting
that comes
getting
out
wax,
of your
bro.
asking questions all the time. You're asking questions all the time.
And old man Chew knows what to do on a day like a Sunday with his kids. That's really strong, huh? Yeah, smell it. Yeah, look nice and clean out. Then you put these fresheners in here.
That's why it's hot.
So you got the air on, my friend. That's why I'm dying in here. Hey, you tell me, you want me to open the window?
Yeah.
So there we go. Old man Chew on a Sunday getting his SUV washed.
Oh man, Chew, that guy's got to look. Get a close up of that guy. He's got a slap for the gas open. Oh, it's just one.
Oh, it's closed?
Yeah.
Getting out of focus. He's getting out of focus now. That's a Fusion.
We vacuuming this Old Man Chew. Just take it off.
Nah, just take it off. I don't want to vacuum.
Get like an airplane.
You guys want to vacuum? It's up to you guys.
Oh, it has to be Old Man Chew that does it.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to do it today. Today's my day off. Remember? I don't work on Sundays. Actually, I am. What the heck are you doing?
I had to hit the brakes to go and drive.
Oh, that's right, huh? Can't just
Because,
click it
you
in,
know.
huh? So there's old man Chew. Just finished washing and waxing his SUV. Probably done for the next probably year from now.
Just showing you a before and after.